Just one of the many of the hundreds that they try to send to do noise pollution out here every day, all day. May God curse them to the pit of hell, because these colonizers have been barbaric for centuries. Let their barbarism have its full recompense here on this earth and eternity, as they burn in eternally, if they're burning in hell. What a pity. Let hell find its home in them. Let hell enlarge itself for dimmies like them. Exactly. May you and your descendants and all your cohorts burn in hell. And may that sound be forever put in your ear. It's only 1:41 a.m. And for this traffic to be like this, and it's so active, like they're going fast for this time of morning. All this traffic.